Meet the Anker 767, the world's longest lasting portable power station powered by GaNPrime. Now, this particular power station is not your ordinary one. It in fact features 2400 watts, allowing you to go ahead and power just about anything in this room, even an RV accessories. Now, together we'll be unboxing this and seeing exactly what it's all about. So if you guys wanted your own, check out the link down below in the description. Now, as you know, a lot of these power stations are very heavy, and this one here in fact is pretty darn heavy. However, this is probably the very first I've ever seen that includes a handle that you can go ahead and essentially carry it about as if it was a suitcase. How cool is that? So in a matter of seconds, you can just go ahead and pop it up like that, and you're on your way. Hey guys, welcome back to an all new episode of KhanFlicks. Now, power stations are a big thing, and we've reviewed quite a few. In fact, Anker sent us the 757 previously, which was actually very impressive, but they went and upped it up with the all new 767. That is right, this here is the latest power station featuring 2400 watts, and I have to say that is absolutely mind-blowing. Now, I live in a house that has a power that goes out quite so often, and using it in real life is actually quite interesting. Now, together we'll be unboxing this thing and seeing exactly what it's all about. So if you guys wanted to learn more about them, check out the link down below in the description, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's open this box up. Alright, check it out. So this here is everything that we get. We have our incredible looking power station, and that is right, it has wheels. I am more fascinated with that than anything. These things are incredibly heavy to carry around, and just lifting them is a pain, and the wheels is definitely a smart idea. And not only that, it even comes with a handle. That is right, to go ahead and use it like this, where you can go ahead and move it about. How convenient is that? Now, I wish somebody else would have thought of this prior, because that actually would make things a whole lot easier to carry around. Now, the last thing you want to do is, if you ever have a power outage, is to literally haul something that's super duper heavy, but being able to roll it to wherever you need to is absolutely incredible idea. Now, looks really cool overall, I have to say. So before we go ahead and take a look at this, let's take a look at the accessories. This little pouch here, also having the Anker logo, that's really nice. And then we also have a user manual. Let's take a look at this. We have a variety of different cables. So first off, we have a direct to outlet cable. So this is great. Again, you don't have a power block or anything like that in the middle. It literally directly plugs right into the wall. This is great in terms of traveling purposes. You just go ahead and put it anywhere and just take it about. Now, it also has a variety of different adapters. So you have this one here to go and charge it via your car. So that's nice. So it does have the car adapter there. That is definitely a must. And then you looks like you have a solar power panel. So this thing's really cool too. So this is actually a multiple panel. Look at that. That's absolutely cool. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways of charging it in terms of panels go. That is actually really smart and brilliant. Now, this thing charges in under 2 hours to get 100%. And then the fact that you can use this to charge power just about anything is absolutely mind-blowing. Now, we have ourselves a user manual here. So some things to kind of note about this particular unit. It features an LFP dependable battery. So this thing can actually handle 3,000 cycles, meaning that is a lot. 3,000 cycles of it powering on, powering off, and being able to fully charge and fully die is absolutely, this thing will last you a lifetime. And there's actually an even great warranty on it. Now, the other thing about Anker is that it also features a 5-year warranty and a 10-year lifespan. So you know, it is actually a great investment, because you'll be using this for a long period of time without having to worry about it going bad anytime soon. So it features GaN technology, which minimizes energy loss and enhances power efficiency when charging and discharging. A 96% efficiency is obtained compared to the industry's 88 to 91% standard, and ensures the longest battery lifespan on the market, which enhances protection by intelligently monitoring temperatures to safeguard your devices. Now, GaNPrime PowerHouse is an eco-friendly choice for Go Green enthusiasts, which reduces energy consumption by 50 to 60% and saves up to 10 to 12% of energy compared to the conventional portable power station models. All right, right, let's take a look at this thing now. Again, really heavy duty. Again, you can't really carry this about. It is absolutely heavy. So using the wheels is definitely a must when I would recommend it. And yeah, look at this. So you got a lot going on here. So looking on the front here, you have this gigantic LCD display. It says display right there. You have your Bluetooth mode, your power saving mode. You have a variety of different AC outputs. You also have this gigantic one here for RVs, so that's really cool too. You have your car socket ports, so you have your two car socket ports. That's pretty cool too. And then you have a variety of different DC outputs from the IQ Plus, so you can do smart charging, and then of course the USB-A ports, and then you have your 4 AC ports as well. All right, for this test here, we'll be powering on our Iron Man suit, our arcade machine, and even this sand table using this power station. Let's have at it. All right, let's go and see if this works. I'm gonna go ahead and first hit display to show you what's happening. And I'm gonna hit on AC outlet. And there we are. So we can run these up to 16 hours, so that's cool. So right now we have our Iron Man suit, we have our poly kit, and we are also powering on our sand table here. So that is all wicked. Let's go ahead and open up the app here, and we're gonna go ahead and quickly look for our 767 by hitting the Bluetooth button here. Okay, our Bluetooth mode is flashing, and now we're connecting to it, and we've added it successfully. And we can go ahead and give it a name. And there we are. So right now this is giving us an accurate readout of what is happening. So right now it shows that our AC output is 115 watts. And you can see here that it does have 98% battery life. Currently nothing else is plugged in, so that's neat. And I can actually turn this off from my phone here. And I even have a setting where I can turn it off after like an hour. So that's pretty cool. So under settings here, you can just see that there's an AC recharging power, so you do high. You can do light SOS mode. You can change the brightness of the screen, your timeout, your degrees, your battery health. Everything is in here. So this is nice that it does give you the ability to go ahead and keep track of it. And I think that's actually a great way of kind of focusing on that. Like I can turn on the light just like that. You can dim it, make it a little bit brighter, make it brightest, or just turn it off directly. So right now it says if we're running this, it'll be 15.2 hours the way that is. How cool is that? Now, besides that, I mean, overall, it works exactly the way it's intended, and you can actually see the powerhouse right over there. Just click that, and you're good to go. All right, so pretty cool stuff. So overall, I'd say it's definitely a great unit. I love the fact that it's nice and easy to use, and it connects to the phone very easily. It does have handles, and then you do have the amazing feature of being able to roll it out. Everything is completely placed here on the front, and the fact that it does have this gigantic unit here to go ahead and plug in like your AC unit, that is absolutely amazing. I've never seen that before. All right, so for this next test here, we're gonna see if we can go ahead and power on all these arcade machines. That's right, using just this power station. So a beautiful thing about this, again, is the wheels. I absolutely love the fact that I can just go ahead and roll this around, find the nice right spot. So I think this is good right over here. We'll just put it like this. There you go. And then do that. All right, let's see if this works. I think we're ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit AC on. And and it works. So just like that, we were able to power on all these arcade machines using this power station. Now, according to this shows that we have a total of 12 hours on this. So we can play these games up to 12 hours just using this Anker power station. So you can imagine like having this set up outdoors somewhere, and you can play arcade machines outside up to 12 hours just using a single power station like this. Just shows you exactly what you can do with this. And then simply hitting the off button, watch what happens here, boom. All of them are off, just like that. Oh, cool. So unplug, pop this out, and we're off on our way. Now, with that said, if you guys have any questions at all, comment down below. Otherwise, see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.